Yay! Such a wonderful morning! Dusk, wake up, you sleepyhead! Oh, just 5 more minutes! I'll show you 5 more minutes! It was the last warning! Well, what should I wear today? Oh no, seems too extravagant. Meow! No, too cute! Oh, this one is great! But you wear it every day! Oh, look who's speaking! Girls, what time is it? You have the concert on the ballet class today! Honey, but you panic again. We got 2 more hours before it starts. Only 2 hours! Girls, take your ballet skirts and shoes! Wow, such a nice ballet skirt! Oh no, it's so spoiled! I'm the soloist! Don't turn your volume down. What should I do? It's my ballet skirt! Uh-oh, the white swan and the fall of your career. Mom, Dad, Mommy! What happened, my brightness? Baby Tom spoiled my ballet skirt. Oh no, what should we do? We'll be late for the concert. Oh my! No worries, we'll go to some shop before the concert. We can't, or we'll be late. Dusk, dear, hurry up. We're about to leave. Yes, Mommy, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your toes and smile. Second team, be quiet. We're here, as quiet as a mouse. Yes. We're in time. The black swan is in the part. Go! And where is the white soloist? You see, they're getting a bit late with Dad. I see. Veronica, get ready for the solo part of the white swan. Yes, I got so lucky today. I told them not to be late, but they never listen to me. Come on, pick up. Hello. Where are you? In the toy shop. What? Be here in 10 minutes. Daddy, and can I take this balloon? But honey, we hurry up. Oh, please. Okay, honey, take it. Just don't tell Mom. Well, girls, so don't forget to stretch your toes and smile. Again, Dad and Don are late for the concert. Soon I'll be the prima instead of Don. It won't surprise me. And here we are. Where have you been? A minute late and the soloist would be another girl. Honey, but we're right on time. Don, you shouldn't be here. Actually, I'm a soloist. I don't get anything. Why 2 white swans? Oh, look how nicely they manage it all. I haven't been talking to you for exactly 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Yahoo! Our girls are the best! Yahoo! Good girls! Mom, Dad, can guys come to visit us today? Please! Of course, my lovely daughters, and the presents at home are waiting for you. Which presents? Oh, I said it in vain. Yay, we're going to visit! So I competed with her in vain. Wow, your room is divided into 2 parts. The dark side, the light side. The dark side, the light side. And it happens again when they visit us for the first time. Oh, and what have I found here? Dad bought it, but please don't tell Mom. Of course, Don, we won't tell your Mom, but let's see who is inside this ball. Honestly, I really want to get someone for this family. For instance, a black crow. Where is my lens? Well, it's a stone here and a very bright star. And it says rock star. Wow, some unusual pet is inside it, and he adores rock. Well, you bought her a ball? Yes, honey, it's our daughters, and I love them so much. What if there is a pet for Punk Boy inside it? Wow, and here it is! The most magical moment! So who is inside it? Such a cool bottle! Black and pink! My eyes! It fits this family and the Dusk family too! Pink and black! Amazing! A shovel, and it's silver! Seems like I know that it's a kitten inside it! The next packet... Wow, such an accessory! Maybe these cool headphones are meant for a DJ! So cool, by the way! They're silver with black. I can't hear you! So what? It's time for the toilet. It's pink this time and perfectly fits this family. So let's see what is inside it. And who am I going to dig here? Oh, just look! It's a tiny bracelet! My eyes! I thought it's slippers! Look how cute they are! my eyes with tiny thorns. Just look at these tiny cuties. Well, let's see the pet right now. And who the school bracelets are meant for? Wow, my eyes! It's a cat with leopard print. Wow, such a tiger kitty. Stripes here and spots here. Is it a tiger or a leopard? Guys, leave your comments whether it's a tiger or a leopard. Let's see how to put these accessories on her. Are they meant for the paws? Or where should they be put on? On the tail? No, definitely not here. Then let's put them on the paws. And here is my pet with bracelets. Such a stylish cutie, my eyes. Now let's put on the headphones. I'm so happy and so surprised. I haven't expected to get something like this today. Even though this pet doesn't fit any of my created families, but I like it so much and want to get a cool owner. Guys, you really asked for the family of Dusk and Don. How did you like their suits? Leave your comments about which family I should create on my channel next. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.